Okay, now this machine we already match code well, and this arrow is number. You can see number 2, number 1, number 1, number 2, number 3. This number matched with the number. This is model 1, this is model 2, and this model 3. So let's play it. Number 1, when you press repeat, then model 1 will ignite one by one rapidly and ignite together. Then when you press number 2, the same, the model 2 will ignite one by one and ignite together. All works. And number 3, you will see this model 3, repeat, ignite, and ignite together. Okay, now we see this model. This model matched with this small number. There have 12 queues in each model. Let's see. When number 3, model number 3, the press 1, these queues work. Number 2, these queues work. Number 3, this queue work. And also we can change model like number 2. Number 2 press 5 means number 2 model, the number 5 queues. We will see if this will shining. Yes, it's shining. And also number 1, when you press 7, it means the model 1, the 7 queues here, when you press it, it's also work.